हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी हडल। आज मैं और बॉयज डिस्कस करने लगे हैं द टॉप 10 सेंटर बैक्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम ऑफ ऑल लीग्स। और आप लोगों को क्राइटेरिया तो पता ही है, सारे बॉयज अपनी लिस्ट भेजते हैं। इस दफ़ा बाय द वे लिस्ट बढ़ गई है, कोई 16 हो गया हमारा सैम्पल साइज, पहले 10 होता था। सो एवरीवन सेंड्स देयर टॉप 10s और जो नंबर 10 पे होता है ही गेट्स 2 पॉइंट्स, फिर 4, 6, 8 इस तरह ऊपर जाते हैं, एक्यूमुलेट होते हैं और फिर टॉप 10 लिस्ट बनती है। सो पैनल से इंट्रोडक्शन करवा देता हूँ। मुश्तबा खान, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैन। वलीद मसूद खान, लिवरपूल फैन वेयरिंग अ वैन डाइक शर्ट। तारिक अब्दुर्रहमान, एसी मिलान फैन।
एक ही फैन छोड़ता नहीं है, छोड़ेगा नहीं।
और ज़करिया आगा, लिवरपूल फैन। Before we start the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. और ज़को एक और चीज़ होती है,
बेल आइकॉन राइट
Yes. काफ़ी लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया। नंबर 10 जैप स्टैम।
हियर।
Nice,
Monster.
man. I like him, man. I like him.
Nice.
तुम्हारी लिस्ट में नहीं था, तुमने देखा नहीं होगा उसे।
Yeah, वही I think ज़्यादा ये कि there's an element of your own favorites in the list.
I expected him to be a little higher. Though.
Yeah, around the 8-7-ish position.
Nah, I think 10.
Out of 16, only 6 guys had him in his list. He still made 10th. Sherry had him at 5th. Baki, I had him at 8th. Waleed and Tariq had him at 8th. Mustafa had him at 10th. Or Daniel had him at 7th.
Yeah, the only thing I
Oh,
had
eight,
against him was that
sorry.
he didn't play long enough. So
No, but the thing is, you can also check his rise, like late recognition mili hai.
Yeah.
And then, like,
But
that's
you know,
a story
we
in
were
its own right. as well.
evaluating centre backs, so he played probably
But I
the
don't think
lowest
that-
amount
but
of
bro-
matches, 400
But bro, prime years, but bro,
and only
prime,
60 international matches. So
Integral figure
he-
of the treble-winning side.
No,
came to
definitely.
Milan.
the
even
leagues
though-
he won for United as well,
Yeah.
main part of it.
Yeah.
हाँ.
absolutely.
Even though he came to Milan, he didn't win a lot.
But
of
then
stuff.
there's so much competition, you know. Like once we go ahead with the list, so
वो जाते हैं ना,
हाँ, but-
वो कुछ कह रहा था
हाँ.
मिलान।
I said even when he came to Milan, best career decision of his life. Man United suck. That the players and the
This does
fans,
not even warrant an answer.
the fans still remember him like as one of the best centre backs.
हाँ भाई, वो
For sure.
crazy होता
Like,
था।
Ferguson
he's
made a
very
mistake
solid.
giving up on
Yeah.
him.
Madman.
He's made many mistakes, and that was one of them.
Yeah, Danny Welbeck's another.
Bebe, Welbeck ठीक था. Jamba.
हाँ, नंबर 9 पे चलते हैं।
Chalo.
Juventus star, Italian star Giorgio Chiellini with 62 points.
Really?
Yeah. I
Didn't
had
make
him
my
at
list.
10th, Waleed had him at 10th, Bakar Behram Mani had him at 7th,
Whoa, that's too
Generous.
Sam को पीछे
Essen
रखा
had him at 6th, फिर Shadman, Nakash, Samir, Ali Rizvi and Momin had him at 8, 9, 10th.
Yeah, that's where he belongs. I think he's fine.
I
He's
didn't
good.
put him on my list because
You didn't?
no, because he's a great player. He's one of the best centre backs, and he was crucial to sort of our Italy's mini revival.
Euros as well.
The Euros.
Remember that?
Yeah.
And
Beast.
but I don't know. I just felt like in terms of ability, there were better defenders, centre backs than him.
100%.
Yeah, no, I agreed with you. But it's like he was an old-fashioned trademark. Only like
Yeah,
a proper.
yeah,
When you
yeah.
look at a centre back from the old age, you know like
And
कि that
playing
is
in
Chiellini.
modern
Exactly.
day football.
And bro, remember the time where Bonucci was getting that hype? कि, oh, Bonucci
Yeah.
is sub.
It
Just
was
with his
all-
ball
हाँ,
playing.
Bonucci
You guys
कुछ भी नहीं
remember
था,
that?
bro.
It was all and,
Yeah, bro.
and he showed when he
And
joined Milan.
Berzagli
Yeah,
as
when
well.
he joined Milan.
You saw that, right?
Worst signing of
Bro, no, and then he went back to Juventus and looked good.
Actually, वैसे उस back 3 का Berzagli was very crucial.
Yeah, Berzagli.
Underrated.
The
Very
the
underrated.
necessity of a ball playing defender in that back three, I think that's why Bonucci was so,
हाँ,
was so
highly
big in that.
rated.
No, but
Yeah.
but that's
लेकिन
the thing.
expose
It
हो
was
गया था, bro.
overrated, right? At the same time.
But ball
Just
playing
because he's
defenders- ball playing defenders
and by
were
the way,
just-
Chiellini can pass a ball as well. He can carry it like okay-ish, not itna bura as people
He's
make
not
it
bad
sound.
on the ball for
Yeah.
someone with his height, but I don't know, like
And his head as well. थोड़ा
Yeah.
Jesus shaped head.
Bro, but his hat is
Bowling
good.
ball.
Like
Good
I
for
think
heading the ball.
he deserves it, man.
yeah.
अच्छा.
For that
Not
fight he
much.
got from Suarez.
हाँ, चलो
Yeah.
9th वैसे I feel शायद 10th आ सकता था. Stam
Stam deserved to be.
I'd
higher.
rate him
ahead,
highly.
man.
Yeah.
Definitely.
लेकिन
yeah.
चलो 9th is फिर भी fair.
चलो,
Not
I guess
not
the Chelsea
that
fans
bad.
ruined this
Yeah,
again
yeah, again.
with the 7.
As usual.
Yeah.
Dominating.
Number 8.
Okay.
VVD.
Wow, robbed,
Wait.
robbed. He's robbed.
He should be on the list. He should be on the goddamn
Get
list.
out of
Wait,
here.
what's wrong with you guys?
यार मैं जा रहा हूँ.
8th
nuts.
पे.
2 सीजन अच्छे खेले उससे तुम
Those
लोग-
what
All-time
okay?
defender में
Let's can we
एक मिनट उसको एक मिनट
Wait, who?
can
उसको
we
इसको लिस्ट वाला बताने दे.
I had him 9th.
wow
You had him 4th.
Yeah, man.
Tariq had him 9th. Mustafa did not have him. You had him
Straight.
first.
Number one. Number
What?
You were
He is
supposed to
Yeah,
be not
एक
like
minute,
the
एक
best
minute,
defender
एक
I have ever
No,
seen.
1 minute, boy. Let me talk, bro. Let me talk.
No PK.
Hold on.
Do not name drop players, please.
Let's-
नहीं,
Bro,
नहीं,
let's-
नहीं
Let's
करना.
first of all, let's dispel this myth that,
No, no,
Virgil van
first
Dijk
let's-
has
yeah.
had two
Dominating
good
the
seasons.
Scottish League.
First of all,
Let him talk.
he two seasons. He played for 2 seasons in the Scottish League, and he won both times. You can't finish higher than first.
What league?
The Scottish League.
What league?
Actually, let me add to
You
that.
can't
No, wait,
finish
let me-
higher than. You
Wait,
can't-
listen, bro. Let me,
When Virgil van Dijk came to Southampton, they finished
break league?
6th and
Yeah,
8th.
Sadiq.
Okay, which is for Southampton, it's amazing.
There is no
When-
case.
When,
There
Virgil,
is no
when
case.
Virgil
Bro.
van Dijk joined Liverpool, he joined in January. We made the Champions League final that season.
का तो ये नाम ही ना ले, 9-1.
We Liverpool made the Champions League final that
bro, you're
season.
disregarding this.
Yeah,
now,
Liverpool made the Champions League final that season. Liverpool won the Champions League the season after that. Liverpool and
Bolne de,
scored
bolne de.
97 points. Liverpool won the league the season after that.
Who's
Every
the
single
first
season.
defender
he
to
won.
win PFA?
मैं बोल नहीं सकता.
No,
जवाब दे
listen.
सकता तारिक मेरे
सब-
लिए.
एक second,
Wait,
एक second, I'm not done.
Bro,
Virgil,
defender.
he was he finished second in the Ballon d'Or. Do you know the last time any defender came top 3 in the Ballon d'Or?
बस नहीं बोलना नाम.
Yeah, he's on the damn list.
No, and he
exactly
Messi or
from a
Ronaldo
long
के साथ
time
था
ago.
ना?
Exactly from
And
a
so
long
bad,
time
bro,
ago.
listen.
He also finished. He's also the first
UEFA
player to finish in the top 3 in the
Bro,
FIFA men's
bro,
best.
UEFA Player of the
बोलने
Year
दो,
था.
बोलने दो
No,
भाई.
listen, UEFA Player of the Year था, and he also won the PFA Player of the Year, and the last defender to win that
Tell me,
was a racist.
tell me
He can-
how many defenders
bro,
in
the
this
last-
list have done that?
Bro, and on top,
You both
listen,
are on the
bro,
same side.
Bro, listen, hey, listen. On top of that, let me add to that. In Celtic, right? Celtic में था ना?
Yeah.
Celtic में था. Bro, this man, he stood out. Bro, he stood out in a Barcelona game. They got thrashed. But the only player that stood out from that.
Stood out when they got
That's why he should be on the all-time.
Bro, but I'm saying how much of an
Listen,
impact he
okay,
has on a team, bro.
okay,
Yeah,
And on top of that,
no
so
one takes
Southampton-
it.
Bro,
One at a time.
As well,
One,
alright?
one at a time.
I had him on my list because he's a great defender. ठीक है ना? If people didn't have him on his list or kept him low on his list, that's fair to him because he's not all time. Alright?
Bro, let me tell you one thing.
He's had 4 or 5. He's had 4 or 5 major seasons where players know about him, and he's had 2 really good seasons for Liverpool where everybody knows about him. The Champions League season and the season they won the Premier League.
Bro, when they-
Unfortunately, he's been injured this season, but he's not all time.
Tariq,
You can't
let me
call
tell you one
someone-
thing. Tariq, let
you
me
can't
tell-
call some. I'm sorry. No matter how much you want to play it, you can't. I put him on his list, and I put him what?
मुझे तो
8th,
चक्कर आ रहे हैं
8th,
यार.
and he's 8th in this.
Tariq,
he's
the
not,
thing
he's
with-
seventh.
We
Let me-
come
listen,
here and
bro.
we
And he's eight.
discount the
And he's
Scottish
eight.
League doesn't exist.
Yeah.
But
second.
when after Calciopoli, when all of Italy's teams were a pile of trash, we count those defenders like they were
Yeah,
freaking
Italy-
amazing, right? When they couldn't try, but they could barely.
Bro, एक और बात है.
मैं तुम्हें उनके टाइटल्स भी बता दूंगा. एक मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ. Daniel, he's a Liverpool fan. He did not put him in the list because he said कि अभी वो 2-3 सीजन ही अच्छा खेला.
Objective.
अच्छा, listen, let me tell you why. Bro, listen, let me tell you.
जोक हो गया. नहीं बोल लो.
No, let me tell you why.
Robbed.
Bro, can I?
Let me talk.
Let me
talk. Explain yourself.
तब चढ़ी इस बात पे कि देखो वैन डाइक का these are his prime years when you started noticing him, right? This is his prime.
Prime years is not
Bro,
all time.
Bro, listen, let me
Let
tell
man-
you,
let
Kana,
man talk.
it's not that Van Dijk's going to suddenly be a bad player and drop these performances. He dropped one of the एक season, the one he won, the PFA Player of the Year. He's dropped. He wasn't dribbled, bro. That's insane for a player, defender, especially to not be dribbled past for more than a year.
You guys are talking
ठीक है?
about accolades
Bro, on top
and
of that,
achievements he did in one season.
bro,
Or
but I'm
2
just telling you how.
seasons.
Four
Bro,
seasons,
listen,
bro. Four and
What
a half
4
seasons.
seasons?
2 seasons for Celtic.
Celtic तो मैं count
He
नहीं.
won the title.
Gerrard is
Tariq,
going
this
through.
is-
Celtic में क्या उसने
Tariq, but
achieve
that's
What
my
won the
point.
league
Kana.
twice.
Tariq, that's my point. He's not going
एक
to get
सेकंड
back, bro.
सेल्टिक को पता नहीं कितने सालों बाद अब रेंजर्स हरा रही है. एक सेकंड. सेल्टिक स्कॉटिश प्रीमियर लीग को हटा दो. सेल्टिक हैज वॉन पता नहीं कितने 11 टाइटल्स इन
Rangers और Celtic ही तो जीते.
इन अ रो.
वो तो as a formality वो देते हैं उसे league title.
वैन डाइक ना भी होता तो
The
जीतना.
point, you can't finish higher than first. It's
Yeah.
impossible.
Okay.
That's-
Can I,
that's
Sadi, can I just say
obvious.
something?
ओके.
Can I just-
जी बोले भाई.
Yeah, he's an exceptional defender.
Exceptional.
No one over here is
Best in the
debating
world
that.
right now.
Yeah.
Still, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
And he's
But
going to
it-
stay that way till he fucking ends.
But you have to understand.
Bro, all I'm saying is he's not
So
going to
when
get
we-
bad, bro. This is peak.
Even if he listen,
Bole
even if
to
he
de.
doesn't
He's
get-
ending it on the
even if
rise,
he
bro.
doesn't
Let me
get
fucking
bad,
finish.
even if he doesn't get bad,
Okay.
even if he doesn't get bad, in 5 years' time, if he continues his performance and we do this list again, I'll put him at number 1. But right now, when we're doing this list, he can't.
But
be
I haven't
higher
seen
than
a better,
8.
bro. I haven't seen a better Premier League defender, nah. Matlab, I
In
have
the last 3 years.
in the last 10 years, bro, I haven't seen a better Premier League defender.
When did
Vincent,
Van Dijk came on the scene only 4 or 5 years
so
ago.
that's what I'm trying to say. That's how good he is, bro. And on top of that, this guy, you can put him in
It's
any
not
era,
all
bro.
time.
You can put Van Dijk in any era of the game. You
एक
put him
league
all the
title
way
जीता
into the
एक Champions
Italian,
League
bro.
जीता है,
Serie
3
A.
साल अच्छा perform
Look,
किया
look,
competitive
Bro,
even-
if you put him in
even
Serie
with
A era,
everything-
he's dominating it, bro.
Yeah.
This guy has a pass on him. ठीक है. He's an old-fashioned defender.
भाई
as
कोई
well.
नहीं
He's
कह
a
रहा
very
about
smart
him.
defender.
no one is
Even-
saying
He's got, bro, he's got
even-
speed.
no,
He's
no,
kept up
no.
with Adama Traore,
Even
bro.
if you're just trying
He's kept
to,
up with
even
Adama Traore with
even
speed.
if you're just trying
bro,
to
he
look
has
at,
strength as well. Like he's the complete package.
पागल हो गए
How
पागल हो
can
गए
you say that
Look,
he's not good enough then?
and
At this point, he's not even the best Holland, Netherlands ka defender. I'd put Stam over him.
get
at
out of
this
here.
point.
Oh,
Yeah.
Stam,
At this
I thought
point,
you were
yeah.
about to say
Yeah,
Gillette
I'd
or
put him
something.
over.
I'm out I'm out
Honestly, it's
Listen,
not worth
look,
the debate.
even if you look at just individual
Oh,
accolades,
we're
right?
gonna
He's
be
been
here all
to
day,
2
bro.
Champions League finals.
Hardly
Two
mediocre.
Champions League finals.
ए बोलने दो
Yeah,
इसे,
yeah.
बोलने दो,
Two
बोलने दो.
Champions League finals. He's won one of them. Okay, a lot of these defenders don't have Champions Leagues. He's won the league. Runners up in the Nations League. Second, listen.
सस्ती बातें कर रहे हो।
Scottish League, Nations League.
शर्मिंदा हो गया।
बस बस
Bus-
और मैं
when you-
VVD पे
when you-
बात
no,
नहीं कर
hold
रहा,
on.
he's
When
eighth.
you play
Bro, we have to go forward.
when you play in a competition, you can't discount someone just because he does well in it because you don't like the competition. He's playing in it.
I don't want to name the players that are in this list, but we will talk about it.
We'll talk about their accolades as well
were
now.
international players not playing in the Nations League?
The problem I only have is that तुम लोग longevity को ठीक है ले रहे हो, but at the same time you're also disregarding like
We're not
can't-
disregarding. I have him in his
Bro,
list. A lot of
the
other
ability,
people
yeah.
had him
No,
in
I'm
his
just
I
saying,
had
and
him
I
on
appreciate that you have him, bro. But all I'm saying is
eighth
कि ये जो
or
कह रहे,
seventh-
bro, his
seventh
point.
or eighth तक है?
तुम्हारी लिस्ट में
नहीं, नहीं, overall.
ओवरऑल 8th है
Bro, at the same time, no, but at the same time, all I'm saying is it's like you've watched, right, and you rate him कि इस तरह है. To the peak and prime that I watched him, and I know he's going to continue this because that's how good he is. You don't drop that level. Stam के साथ the Ferguson
टांग
did,
टूट गई तो
bro, Ferguson did the
ACL
exact
हो गया
same thing
फिर।
with Stam.
But
He's
that's-
got an ACL
but
injury.
that's- we're
Ferguson
talking
said he's not going to be the same. He's not going to have the same speed. What did he do at
Look,
Milan?
अच्छा, बस,
if-
बस,
if-
बस,
if-
बस, बस,
last-
बस,
just
bस.
just
Let's move on,
to
man.
cap it
Let's
off,
move
if
on.
if I'm thinking about the defenders who have won the most things, then obviously I look at the defenders who have finished their careers. But if I'm looking at the best defenders I've seen play, he's the best defender I've ever
Bro,
seen.
he's top 5. He's top
Yeah.
5. Van Dijk makes it, but
If you were talking about
move on,
peaks,
man.
मैं बताता हूँ
Move
ना
on,
एक
bro.
सेकंड आउट ऑफ 16 सिर्फ 8 प्लेयर्स की लिस्ट में था 8 बॉयज की लिस्ट में था
बाकियों को अगली दफा लिस्ट ही ना बनाने दो मैं तो
अच्छा बहुत हो गया वैन डाइक पे नंबर 7 पे जा रहे हैं हम एज Zako said बैलन डोर विनर फैबियो कैनावारो with 154 points VVD had 80 points
Also, I'd like to say the person I was referring to, the last person to make the top 3 was not Cannavaro. But anyway.
I thought कि तुमने बैलन डोर जो जीता है वो बोला
हाँ, the last person to make top 3. Anyway, but
okay.
in my book, in
एक सेकंड में
Cannavaro's
बता दो
favor,
ना मुश्तबा did not have him Behram did not have him
उछल ना वैन डाइक
बस
बोल
Mustafa and Van Dijk didn't have him.
मुश्तबा एंड वैन डाइक नहीं
Mustafa
बेहराम
and Behram didn't
क्या
have
हो गया भाई वैन डाइक कहाँ से आ गया
Rent free.
I was a bit.
I think.
I was a bit sort of double-minded when I put him on the list. I mean, definitely deserves to be there. He is
टॉप 10 में तो
he is a good
डेफिनेटली है
defender.
यार
Considering for his like height, especially,
हाँ
you know, even with his height, he was known for like heading and just body and everything. So he definitely has to be there. About his Ballon d'Or win, I'm
हाँ नहीं
I'm
नहीं
a bit
नहीं
skeptical
yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
Like even
यार
though
देखो
he got Italy and the 2006 World
Yeah.
Cup, he left it. I'm very happy about that, Italy fan. But I don't know, I was
Same.
a bit skeptical that year. But he definitely deserves to be on the list.
The only point that I'd like to make for not including him in the list is that, you know, to be on top, ek saal, 2 saal, it's easier to, but to be doing that for 10 years, you know, 8 years, that's the real challenge, right? Like that.
He had a pretty
एक मिनट
long-
ना मुझे let me finish. Like that's
काफी
what,
लंबा
you know,
career
like
था
जो है, you know, class apart सही है. So Cannavaro probably like 2005 से पहले तो Sampdoria में खेलता था. He was a decent defender and everything, but the peak came and then after Madrid, 2 league titles, 2008-9 में he declined. So they were like essentially 2-3 जो है क्या कहते हैं साल जिसमें वो
But bro,
prime में
by,
था.
like, by this
And
logic,
he'd won
bro,
just 2 league titles with Madrid. He'd won 1 World Cup. And अगर इस तरह हम बात करें तो Desai and Blanc were also the kind of players, leaders.
अच्छा तो फिर
Bro,
why
but
why
by this
एक
logic-
second why did you have company in there
exactly
Company,
by this-
the reason why I had company in there is because of the fact कि City का जो the whole phase of City, like starting the title and everything. He was the leader of that team, and he was pivotal in the right moments
But
for them.
just because he was there for a long time doesn't make
him a better defender than Cannavaro.
Bro, and that's my
Yeah,
whole
देखो,
point. You
and
can't have
Cannavaro
longevity.
did have
You
longevity.
can't have.
It wasn't too.
You know, if you
the reason-
evaluate-
the reason Juventus signed him is because of his performances in Sampdoria, and then he left because of Calciopoli. But that's why Madrid picked him up as well because he was amazing. So you can't discount.
And
just
bro,
because
by the way,
If
that
you
World
look
Cup,
at it-
bro, that World Cup, people say like Nesta got injured in the second match.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
I saw
He
the
carried,
World Cup.
bro.
He was
तो वही ना,
excellent. He did.
Bro, he was a
No-
top
no
performer
debate.
there. Like he literally led them.
Definitely.
Even though he wasn't the type of defender
मैंने
to lead.
honorable mentions में 11-12 पे से डाला हुआ था,
Bro-
but you know you can't just longevity नहीं है सिर्फ उसके अलावा who he's playing with, clean sheets, how many trophies he's won, and how he's assisted his team, and then comes the eye test, you know how exceptionally good he was. Like VVD, I understand eye test में बहुत आला है, no doubt about that, but वो time नहीं हुआ. So ये 5-6 criteria के ऊपर then we have to give our
I think
opinion. So
often
that's why I
we're a
didn't
little
keep him.
biased either way for players who did very well in the World Cup.
Like I
Either-
wanted to put Blanc
either
in
you'll
so
rate
bad,
them a lot
but
higher
I couldn't put him in.
because they did well in World Cup, or you'll rate them a lot lower because one of their biggest achievements was doing well in the World Cup.
I didn't put Blanc in.
I don't
He
think
was
anybody.
excellent.
I don't think anybody will cry about having Cannavaro on.
Yeah,
It definitely makes the list.
Or in the
Yeah.
list. Yeah.
No, definitely.
Next.
Next, number 6. Waleed, John Terry.
What?
How did he even make the list?
How did he? Yeah.
No, he gets in there.
Because
No, you don't think so?
everyone had him in there except you.
Wow.
I had him low though.
Huh,
the thing is,
well,
मेरा-
you had him at 8th.
Yeah.
Where did
मेरा
I
एक
have him?
fresh.
You had him at 10th.
I put him in the list.
Yeah, you had him at
I
10th.
regret that a lot.
अच्छा, I'll be honest with you, right? मेरा वो था केलिनी मेरा 10th था, right? And John Terry की जगह बन रही थी उधर, but I just didn't put him in there because he's a super racist, bro. Recently मैंने like just it's fresh off. I saw the Anton Ferdinand documentary, right? And then ऊपर से वो I saw एक racism के बारे में.
Come on, bro.
No, but there was a little movie or stuff ना about the whole racism thing issue. And उसके बाद and then also I saw this interview with this with the on YouTube, right? He did. तो उसके बाद like सुन के काफी stories मेरा John Terry से थोड़ा दिल off हो गया यार कि यार even though Luis Suarez was a first, second, so what was he, third or something, but yeah कि नहीं फंसा यार John
यार
Terry.
मैं जो बोल रहा था कि चेल्सी फैंस लिस्ट खराब करते हैं. Mani Behram had him at 2nd.
I'm so glad I didn't keep him then.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I didn't keep him then.
PG bro.
Sorry, I can't it.
Bakar had him at 4th. वैसे तो Zacco even had him at 4th. और Essen was okay. He had him at 5th.
Yeah, but I'm looking at
Fourth,
defenders.
fifth is fine.
Yeah, I'm looking at defenders that.
especially if you're a Chelsea fan.
Like second यार नहीं.
Yeah, second's a bit high. I'm looking at defenders that
That's
I've
so
seen.
ridiculous. Like,
I've seen play often, right?
So I balanced it for
in
you.
the in the
When he was making-
I'm not
Good work on
Yeah,
that.
you did a
He's
good
making,
job. Like,
bro, I knew
have
they were
no
gonna mess up.
complaints.
No,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
knew ये करेंगे इस तरह
in
के.
most of the
बहुत
Premier
ही
League
चूतिया है
seasons,
ये.
in most of the Premier
PG bro. आज सारे on हुए हैं बहुत टफ में.
in most of the Premier League seasons I've seen, John Terry has been one of the best defenders.
Yeah.
He's there for a while. He won titles. He won the Champions League. He's
Bro, he's top 3 defender in the Premier League all time.
yeah, exactly.
He's top 3
exactly.
defender, but yeah, top 10 में I think they're much better defenders
Yeah.
than him.
His
Like if you guys
history-
talk about VVD, right? मैं ability wise सिर्फ John Terry को compare करता हूँ इन सब के साथ नहीं जगह बनती.
नहीं, that's what I was going to say. His history, his accolades, his record speaks for itself. But in terms of ability, no, he was just a tree who was really strong. That's it.
I think there's a little bit of this. There's a little bit of bias here again, right? Because ball-playing defenders weren't a thing for the majority of
It
when
doesn't
we.
matter,
what are
bro.
you saying?
It doesn't
This is what-
matter.
They weren't-
ball-playing
And by the way,
defenders
the
from
guy, bro,
but
a
now-
certain Englishman alongside him, right?
Yeah.
He was one of the first to
Yeah.
bring. We'll talk about him later.
But
Yeah.
no, but
Nah,
And we all remember the slip though. The infamous slip.
in the top teams now, it's hard to get in if you're not a ball-playing defender. It's just become
Now,
a common
no.
thing.
Bro,
No,
because you have to
So
be
you see-
complete, bro. Because footballer, you have to be complete footballer now.
Exactly.
And I'm glad you have to because now we're seeing all these
footballer.
players
Exactly.
who can actually play football, bro.
Exactly, but so that's what I'm saying. If
Ricardo
you're judging,
Carvalho made him look good.
if we're judging a lot of players based on just all their abilities, including ball playing, then a lot of the players we have on the list are going to miss out.
But a lot of-
Because a lot of them weren't ball playing defenders. You didn't need them back then. You were the leagues were hard tackling, going hard.
But bro, some of
Going
them,
hard.
yeah, you know,
Going
But
hard.
bro, no, some of those all पुराने ज़माने के defenders, ना, some of them actually did have the ability, and I'm gonna when their names come up, I'll bring
Sure,
them.
sure, but
कि
in the-
है,
you
and
won't-
most
sure,
of them
sure.
we passed like Stam जो 10 पे है ना, उसका भी ball playing ability काफी था. So ये footballer वाला scene काफी पहले से था. ये John Terry का हम exception नहीं बना सकते. He should stick to
Carvalho के कंधों के ऊपर जो है ना वो इधर तक पहुंचा
Man,
list
it's,
में,
even
yeah.
after Carvalho left, John Terry was on top of his game.
यार बस करो यार
By the
Mourinho तक
way,
तो खिलाता नहीं था उसे.
Nakash, who's a Liverpool fan, he had him at third.
ठीक है यार,
क्या?
I can't say he
Stop-
has
stop
reasons.
making
He's a
lists,
defender, so
Nakash.
he's also a defender. Yes, I'm sure he sees
lists.
something
Don't
there.
do
But ये है कि I think they're 10 better, man. Like much better.
दफा करो इसको. Next कौन है?
Number 5, Rio Ferdinand.
Perfect. As long as he's ahead of Teddy, I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
And Rio Ferdinand should also make top 5, bro. The first, one of the first Premier League defenders, like English-wise, we सब कुछ to bring that whole, you know, I can play from the
Change
back
of
and
the
stuff.
game.
Bro, he could
Yeah.
pass well. He made Vidic look better than he is. Vidic के हम calls करते greatest of all time. Ferdinand बहुत
Yeah.
praise देना चाहिए.
By the way, talking about Vidic, he came in 11th.
well, good man. I'm glad he didn't make this list.
Or Ferdinand, everyone had him in their list.
Perfect.
Yeah.
16
Yeah.
Class.
players.
He had it all.
He's very intelligent.
Yeah, he had it all, including the longevity. He
You
was
had
there
him
for
at
a while.
4th.
Fourth.
No,
I
I had him at 4th.
I had him at
You had him at 3rd, I had him at 4th, he had him at 4th, you had him at 3rd,
Top 5. Yeah.
you had him at 6th.
Yeah, it's a bit
Bro-
harder for
bro,
me to
Ferdinand
place
is a
United
baller,
guys
man.
higher up. I'm sorry. He made the list, but it's just
he
being
had
in
everything.
United
He had
pushes
pace. He
you a
had
couple places
intelligence.
down.
He won
Yeah,
trophies.
I think.
Yeah.
Look, here's
Yeah.
what it is.
He's the greatest Premier League defender
For
of all
me as
time.
well. For me,
Yeah, for
100%.
sure.
And the thing is, anytime you look at Manchester United, any fan, you ask them who's one of your best defenders, the first name that comes to mind is Rio Ferdinand.
Not this
Even-
new generation though.
not-
ये वाले देख Vidic की तस्वीर लेके वो नाक टूटी हुई है. वो
Captain
कहते हैं, wow,
Fantastic.
wow,
Captain
body on the
Fantastic.
line. Bro, Ferdinand used to do the body on. Go on, sorry. Yeah.
No, what I'm saying that even for non-Manchester United fans, like even
Yeah.
when neutrals look at him, they think, okay, he's one of the best Manchester United defenders of all time, and Premier League defenders of all time. Like,
भाई मैं आर्सेनल फैन होके बोल रहा हूँ इज द
Bro,
ग्रेटेस्ट
मैं
प्रीमियर लीग
Liverpool fan
डिफेंडर
होके
ऑफ
बोल
ऑल
रहा हूँ तुम्हें ये चीजें, bro.
फर्डिनैंड पे ज्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता डिस्कशन करेंगे
Yeah.
क्योंकि हर एक के पास है
The
और
complete defender, complete footballer
फेयरली
as well.
रेटेड है आई डोंट थिंक कि
Rolls
अगला
Royce.
आई डोंट थिंक कि अगला डिफेंडर फेयरली रेटेड है तो नंबर 4 कार्लोस पुयोल
you think he should be?
You think he
Too
should
high,
be lower?
man.
Do you think he should be lower?
Yeah, he's low.
Then
Should be
fourth?
lower.
Carlos
bro, this is
Puyol?
where, bro, this is where. Listen.
Okay,
Have you ever seen
okay,
Puyol play?
lower than Ferdinand
Eamon, why? do
In
you
my
think-
books.
Why do you think he should be lower?
I think he should be lower. Why? Because first of all, he's not,
Answer
bro.
that
he's-
like an exam.
I think he should be lower
Yeah, my first one.
Yeah.
Why?
एक सेकंड Zakko had him at 2nd, Samir had him at 2nd, Behram had him at 1st.
Wow. दफा है यार ये लोग बस I can't take
Bro,
it.
what did
Did
these
you-
guys watch?
First!
ये कौन सी
Did you
फुटबॉल ये
guys-
देख रहे हो?
Puyol
तुम?
first!
When did you
Well, like,
where do you
like,
have
no,
it?
तुम्हारे
एक सेकंड one at a time
तुम्हारे
one
घर
at
में
a
लगता है
time
ला लीगा नहीं आती थी उस
ला
वक्त।
लीगा आती थी और मैंने वो भी देखा जब डी मरिया ने जो इसके साथ किया था ठीक है डी मरिया का तू जाके मैच देखते हैं क्लासिकोस में द वे
So
ही
you
wins
can
them
pick
यार,
out
वो
one
बूढ़ा हो
game
गया था,
and
बूढ़ा
see
हो गया
anyone
था
have a
बेचारा
ball.
यार।
It's just Aston Villa had
I want to know where did I have him on?
You had him at 5th, you had him at 4th, I had him at 7th, he had him at 7th.
That's what I
Bakar
hate
had him
about-
at 6th.
I think 4th is fair.
Oh, sorry, Bakar had him at 5th.
I'm surprised he's ahead of Ferdinand.
Exactly, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ ना.
Yeah.
And
I
I'm surprised
would-
he's ahead of
yeah.
my
Why doesn't he
my
get? Wait, explain to me why he doesn't get in ahead of Ferdinand.
Because Ferdinand was a better defender, better
Then
ball
Carlos
playing
Puyol?
centre back
Yeah.
than Carlos Puyol.
He was
Puyol has
faster,
won-
stronger,
he has
taller.
won
He had it all.
everything.
Bro, don't talk about
He's won
resumes.
everything.
Bro,
He's
don't talk about
captained
resumes.
everyone. He's
Bro,
one of the
bro.
best leaders I've ever seen on the
He
pitch.
was playing with Ramos as well, and like a loaded Spain team, loaded
Listen,
Barca
bro,
team.
Did you see
No, I'll give him
Rio
credit, bro.
Ferdinand's Manchester
no,
United?
he
game?
did ha- देखो, we're not gonna
we can't discount anything from Puyol
Yeah.
in terms of his achievements. He is one of the key figures who won all those things with even
Agreed.
the start of their winning with
Yeah.
Spain, like the first Euro 2008. 2008.
Tarek,
They
yeah.
started winning because of his presence in the team. I'll give him that. But in terms of an overall defender, my personal belief is that Ferdinand is slightly
Ability-wise,
edges
yeah.
him out because he has better ability, better football passing sense.
Bro, he's a better
and
footballer.
gameplay. Yeah, he's a better.
He's a better footballer than him.
Puyol, one thing I'll give him, there is no one tougher than him on the pitch.
Bro, hard man, a proper hard
like
man.
a proper defender, like one of those classic defenders. There's no one.
And Tariq, he's
better
come
than
up
him.
with clutch goals as well. I remember this one for Spain versus
The header in
Germany.
the semi-final.
Versus Germany, that was the
Yeah.
winning
Ah.
goal. And bro,
Oh.
he literally carried Barcelona's defense for a lot of time
a
as well.
long time.
Like
a long
ये
time.
ये मैं नहीं
And
कह
he
रहा
would
कि
keep everyone in.
They had
line.
Mascherano with
bro,
him,
ये मैं
right?
नहीं कह रहा हाँ, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा कि पुयोल का like we're all against the things we said
Yeah,
against
yeah.
him. It wasn't because but there are fine margins here
Yeah.
for the top 10 में. And these fine margins पे we have to be critical. And Ferdinand, nahi seen, matlab even for Van Dijk.
I
sorry.
don't see what a player or defender could do more than Carlos Puyol did to be higher on the
He
list.
doesn't have to.
He has done.
Eye test ki
He's
baat
done
kar
it
rahe hain.
all.
He doesn't
he
have
had
to
it
do more,
all.
bro.
It's not about
He just has to
He's
be.
won everything several times.
We're all happy he's
He's-
in top 5,
yeah.
but we're just saying that we feel that Ferdinand just would have edged him out.
Or again, everyone had him in their list. 16 ke 16. Number 3,
Ooh, this is okay. Here we go.
Sergio Ramos.
On that.
He's top 5, like in 3, thoda, I don't know. man.
Whoa, why?
Yeah,
So is Rio Ferdinand better than him too?
yeah, Rio Ferdinand is better than Ramos.
Get out of here, dude.
नहीं यार boy clutch है boy is clutch he gets the job done
Nahi, Ramos, bro.
Ramos,
Bro,
bro.
he's top
Clutch.
5. Where did I have
Clutch.
Ramos?
You had him at 5th.
Yeah, he's top
I
5.
had him
he
at
makes
3rd.
top 5. He's
Tariq
not
had him at
Ramos.
3rd. Mustafa had him at 2nd. Zako had him at 3rd. Or Ali Rizvi Momin had him at 1st.
Bro, Ramos का prime, पहले बात ये
Look,
बताओ.
look, एक minute.
Ramos के prime years अभी भी चल रहे हैं, by the
Yeah,
way.
that's the
And
thing.
guess and look
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
which
You know how old
defender
the man
and
is?
which defender overtook his fame and all that shit in his prime years? The one who was 8th.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is that's all I'm gonna leave it there. That's why I think he's top 5, bro.
Bro,
Because
Sergio Ramos is
Ferdinand,
like 34,
bro,
35
bro, if
years
you put
old.
Ferdinand and all these players with him, na Ramos ka, bro, I appreciate him. By the way, Ramos ka footballer, like footballer-wise bhi dekha jaye, Ramos is the perfect footballer as
Yeah.
well. Like uska ability and all that stuff and all the clutch goals that he's done.
Composure.
Bro, the defending as well. But at
Yeah.
the same time, he has this tendency to be super harsh with his tackles. Cannavaro ka scene tha uska bhi. Like he's not a very. So at this, us pe wo phir he
He's not a
loses that.
graceful tackler.
Yeah, and on
Yeah.
top of that, he
He
makes
doesn't-
mistakes
look,
that
look,
way as well,
look,
bro.
look.
He makes mistakes, a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, but you can't say he's better than Ferdinand because see, what we were discounting for Puyol was that he lacks a bit of ability that Ferdinand has. Ramos has that ability, and he's won everything. And his prime years.
But he's
have
not a
been
better defender than Ferdinand. That's what I'm trying to say here.
He is.
As
He
they're
is, and
level
his
on
prime
footballers,
years-
and he's
his
not a better
prime years-
defender, bro.
He's been playing the same time Ferdinand has been playing, and his prime
Longer.
years.
Actually, he has the second highest, almost 900 appearances. 900
and his
appearances.
prime
he has
years
not
has
retired.
been going on much longer than anyone's. And what we were saying about VVD, yes, VVD at the time he became the better defender in the year, but you can't discount everything.
2 years, 3 years he's
2
been at
years,
it.
3 years. वो तो
भाई
10
2004
साल
से
खेल चुके हैं
खेल
भाई।
No, but all I'm saying is that these are fine margins here, bro. And either you
And-
can prime
and
years
in
to
those-
carry
even
and in
whatever-
those fine margins, Ramos makes the cut above.
Yeah,
any of
even-
the
even
others.
if
He's
you
top
look at-
5 for me. I just think if he was with Rio Ferdinand in his prime, I don't think Ramos would have outshined him. Just the same way that Van Dijk
How
has,
can
and I
you know
think Van
he
Dijk should have
has?
been higher.
What? How can you? Have you seen? Sir, how many times has Rio Ferdinand
Bro,
dragged
jab-
Manchester?
bro,
Hold on, wait. How
Rio
many times
Ferdinand
has Rio
ke 2000
Ferdinand?
bro,
One
dra-
at a time.
How
bro.
many times has
Whoa,
Rio Ferdinand
Liverpool
dragged
legs,
Manchester
easy.
back when they're about to lose? When the Champions League finals,
because United
semi-finals?
haven't been in that spot. United ka he's shut the shop for them. ठीक है? And at the same time, क्या कहते हैं Ramos का when he was emerging, right, वो right back था in 2008 9 2008 में तो मुझे याद है right back था 10 World Cup में भी right back था
Right back.
Yeah.
right, so till 10 Ferdinand का decline started in after वो 10 उसी ज़माने में आ रहा था तो Ramos का उस वक्त वो peak नहीं था now आ रहा था, he was emerging, he was getting there,
playing right back.
and as soon
Yeah,
as he
dude, that's
and
how
bro,
good he is as a footballer. That he was starting
so
right
I
back
haven't
in the
said he's
national
not
team.
I haven't said he's a good footballer. That's
I've
not,
seen
that's not
Messi
against him.
destroy Ferdinand.
I've seen
Yeah,
Messi
yeah.
destroy
I've
Ramos.
seen
Have you seen
Torres.
that?
Yeah,
Have you seen
yeah,
that
yeah.
last
But I've
episode?
also
Messi's
seen
rinsed
Ramos.
bro. That's not an
ये तो
argument.
ना
No,
बोलो
no, no.
Messi
Messi
But I've
is
seen
rinsed Ramos.
Ramos control Messi as
Messi
well.
threshold नहीं होना चाहिए. Messi हर एक को destroy करता है.
No, but I've seen Ramos do really well against Messi as well a lot
No,
of
he
the time.
doesn't, bro. He's thrashed him.
They have
He's
been
the
a couple
highest
of
scoring El Clasico player. What are you talking about?
So, Vilid, you can pick out individual games against
फिर
any
ये मैं कह रहा था
defender on the
Messi.
planet and see them get rinsed at some point. You
Sorry.
you can find individual games and see any defender on the planet get thrashed, and you can find individual games and see every striker on the planet not do well
तो ये
against the
मैं
same
नहीं कह
defender.
रहा, उसने
So
लाया है,
individual
ये लाया है
games,
बात
individual
Messi का।
games देखने की का कोई फायदा नहीं है. But if you're looking at accolades, if you're looking at what the person's done throughout
Bro,
their
the
career,
thing with
just
me is
hey,
now-
hold up. If you're looking at what a person has done throughout their career, just look at how many times Ramos has done even what's not required of him as a defender.
And-
Just being a
and-
leader on the pitch, just dragging his
Ferdinand,
team
all
through
those
finals,
aspects that you
winning.
mentioned.
One more thing. In the Strikers Wala video, we were talking about Henry, and we said, what does a player bring to a position? All right, what does he leave back in that position in terms of history?
Great point.
Ask
Ferdinand.
yourself.
Yeah.
No.
I'll tell you the ball playing bit.
I'll tell you.
yeah,
I'll tell
bro.
you. It's not just not ball. Everything is not baller.
Ball playing. I said ball playing.
Okay, ball playing.
And he
It's
was
not
one of the
everything,
first
not
in the
about
Premier
that.
League, bro.
But I'm talking about.
No, but he was one of the first in the
I'm
Premier
talking
League.
about what he leaves in the position, and Ramos leaves something more historically and in the game, the way the game is played in that position, in the centre back
Bro,
position.
like Chelsea's
Like what? Like
Chelsea's game when
His whole ability, the way he commands the entire pitch, the way he commands his team, the way he ball plays. He can play out from the back. He can.
Bro,
run
but you're
back,
talking
he
about
can
what he
can
leaves.
go up
To,
to
right
certain-
now
And he can score
okay,
goals.
okay, it's not that
even at
Ferdinand
this-
hasn't left anything. Ferdinand
He
literally.
has left. He has
Ferdinand
left
literally, he
something.
was one of the first Premier League defenders जो जॉन टेरी का सब कह रहे थे उसी वक्त फर्डिनेंड brought this ball playing thing in
अच्छा, मेरी
कि
बात
मैं
सुनो।
कर सकता हूँ
Even-
इस तरह की।
मेरी बात सुनो एक सेकंड. वो यूनाइटेड फैन है. He should have had Ferdinand higher than Ramos. He did. Ramos उसका second था और Ferdinand third था.
even
He has the second highest Juventus ट्रॉफियां उसके पास हैं. आई टेस्ट में वो पास करता
One of the
है
most
and he
Yeah.
wouldn't have started the whole if they would have lost the 2014 Champions League final tha, when he scored the 90th minute header. If that
clutch.
wouldn't
Yeah,
have
that's clutch.
started, you know, if they would have lost then, you know, the whole morale and everything, who knows, that legacy of the 3 Champions League finals would not have been there. Ramos is clutch. He's been doing it since 2004. It's not that big. Ferdinand is excellent, but Ramos deserves
apart
to be
from
where
just
he is.
footballing
Yeah.
ability, it's like we had Chelsea versus Madrid a few days ago. In that game, we knew that Ramos didn't play the first leg, right? Everyone was praying, looking at the starting lineup, seeing whether or not Ramos will play in the
He had
second
a horrible game by the way.
leg. But
And then lots-
everyone,
Zako ye nala.
but no, but just imagine, right?
He's had one
Everyone,
of those in the league as well, and he hasn't been dominating the La
Well, you
Liga
gotta-
scenes as well, bro. जो तुम कह रहे
you
हो
know,
ना, because of these reasons.
you and everyone else at this table was saying if Ramos plays, it'll be a different
Yeah.
game, right?
Of course,
Well,
because he's that good, he's in my top 5, bro. मैं तो ये नहीं कह रहा कि
So,
अच्छा
so
नहीं है.
just even as a, he's playing in defense, but you know, even if it's his 90th minute, maybe Ramos can come, maybe Ramos can score, maybe he can drag them back.
Actually कल
You wouldn't-
WhatsApp पे जो मुश्तबा ने भेजा था कि 90th minute winner मार देगा
हाँ,
Ramos.
you wouldn't
Everyone was
say-
praying that he
like
would.
when you
You
don't
like he's a striker, you know.
You
You
exactly.
exactly. Ramos खेलेगा ना, तो there's a chance.
You expect him to
when,
do that.
when Rio Ferdinand, even if he's playing चाहे जो जितना भी अच्छा हो, you don't have that from him. You don't have that impact कि as a leader वो
I don't
pitch
know.
पे
ये
क्या
मैं कह रहा हूँ,
करेगा,
तो ये-
what
bro,
will he do for
One
his
at a time.
I don't know why. Listen, the thing is, on final note, I don't know why we're nitpicking between Ferdinand and Ramos. Both great players, both definitely deserve to be in top 5. It's a difference between 1 or 2
Exactly,
positions.
हाँ ना
And
तो
I
top
think it's
5.
and I think at the end of the day, it comes to a personal preference. For most of us, Ramos was higher. That's pretty much it.
Number 2,
Oh my God,
Alessandro Nesta.
what that?
Second in my list, second in your list, second in his list. सारों की लिस्ट में था सिवाय एक बंदे के.
ना एक मिनट की नाम.
कौन है यार ये?
कौन हो सकता है?
Mani, Veram,
Zako.
Zako.
Zakaria Alba.
यार इसे इधर से निकालो यार सर.
Look, dude, I had to
ले
fit,
जा यार इसे खुदा
I had
के
to
लिए.
fit 10 people into the list.
And you missed out Nesta.
No,
of all the
Nesta's
people.
एक सेकंड. You had एक सेकंड. You
It's my list, bro.
let's go through this.
एक सेकंड. Nesta was left out for PK Varane Vidic.
Varane.
Vidic?
Varane.
So,
Varane is the type of player you watch him play, you're like potential. When you look at his age, he's 28. मतलब bro ये क्या bro कसम से bro you guys are bro that's the problem with you guys. ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि no,
You
Zako,
guys
listen
की
to
क्या
me,
बात कर रहे हो?
bro.
You guys.
you have to
ठीक है,
understand,
listen,
dude.
no, Zako.
No. Wait. We can debate about all the players we want. The number of players that you guys have gone on YouTube and seen a few games and you know दो game इधर दो game उधर, that's different. The number of players. The number. Wait, let me finish. Let me finish. When we are making a list of your top 10 favorite defenders, and these are defenders who I have seen play time and time again, and I think these are some of my favorite.
मेरी बात सुनो.
2003 Champions
I've
League
seen-
final Juventus.
Of course I've
Milan.
seen Nesta.
37-year-old Nesta tackled Lionel Messi. वो याद है किसी को?
Didn't tackle. He
and-
pocketed him.
Bro pocketed him.
Yeah.
Bro,
जो वो
Nesta,
उसने मेसी की बात की
And
थी ना.
I've seen-
Nesta did it.
Bro, you don't
I'm
hey,
not-
listen.
hold on,
Hey,
wait,
have you
wait.
ever- no, bro,
Look,
Zako, listen to me.
this is
One
my,
at a time.
this
Zako,
is my
shut the
list.
fuck
I
up
gotta
and listen to
defend
me,
the
bro.
list, bro.
Don't
Look,
defend the list.
please.
if it's
सुनो और सड़ो.
Zako, listen.
I'm not saying just like all the other players. I'm not saying Nesta was a bad defender. Of course, Nesta.
You are.
Bro,
this
he's
look,
not.
I put him on the list and then I got
Zako,
him off
he
the list.
wasn't just a
But-
defender. That's what we're trying to tell you. PK
no
is
one was
just
just-
defenders
no
there.
one was just
Bro,
defender.
have you ever imagined how a hybrid between a Brazilian and an Italian defender would be? That was Nesta.
Bro, how
Bro,
much?
that was Nesta. Go watch. Bro, मैं
How
कुछ
much
नहीं
have
कह
you
रहा
seen
तुझे
Nesta
यार.
play in
मैं-
this area?
16 boys में से 8 had him at number 2. Nakash had him at number 1.
Come on, bro.
Zakko did not have him at all. The lowest he got was number 6, जो कि अली रिजवी की टीम में था, लिस्ट में था.
I'm not saying. You have to
Zid
understand.
की है. अब पता नहीं कौन से मैचेस ये देख रहा था. I don't-
Vidic,
I don't
Varane,
know.
PK, I can't.
Come
नहीं,
on, यार.
नहीं,
You have to
नहीं.
look at
Bro,
defenders.
Varane अब वही बंदा है अब जो सर्जियो रामोस तुम लोग कह रहे थे ना इतना अच्छा लिटरली सर्जियो रामोस को वो भी praise दे दो because he's made Varane look so
Yeah.
much better than he is bro. That's why Sergio
true.
Ramos मैं top 5 में हूँ लेकिन वो fine
How can
margin
you
से
put
मैं
Varane
मेरे
in
ख्याल
all-time
You
list?
you have to
How can you
understand.
not put Nesta in?
You have to
The
understand
list?
when I'm looking.
नीचे भी डाल देता ना खैर थी. लिस्ट में ही नहीं डाला.
I'm looking at players who I've seen play week in, week out, ton of times.
Varane को
I've seen
कितनी
him
दफा
play.
देखा
Varane
तुमने?
को बहुत दफा देखा.
कितनी दफा देखा?
अब मैं गिन थोड़ी रहा हूँ, but I've seen him.
तो Varane को
बहुत
तुम
दफा
He's
देखा.
won
You watch
Champions.
him last year in the
He's
Champions
won
League.
Champions League after Champions League. He's won the
That's
World
not
Cup.
Yeah,
that's
He's
not
won-
him bro.
But he's won them though. I've seen him in those
अच्छा, तो
competitions.
वही-
जब
I've seen
जब
him
टॉप
in the
10
league.
टीम्स कर रहे होंगे ना तो रियल मैड्रिड आ
Wait,
जाएगी.
Anderson is better than Gerrard.
What?
He won Premier Leagues after
Bro,
Premier
I've
Leagues.
seen Anderson play. You can't just say Anderson's better. Like, do you not
Ashley
understand?
Young's
argument
better.
How many? How often have you seen Nesta play?
Quite a
Bro,
lot.
I've watched
seen
him-
Nesta
I've-
play?
I've
I've
watched him
seen-
enough.
I've
Listen,
seen him
it's the same,
quite
it's
a
the
lot.
same why I rated Van Dijk. I've watched Nesta enough to know that this guy is good
Yeah.
enough to be top 3 at least.
I don't think I have. That's as simple as it is. Like if we're
Bro,
talking about
even
lists
if you
like
have-
this,
even if
then
you-
we
even if you
should
haven't
be
seen him,
we should
even
be
if you
putting in
haven't seen-
people like Beckenbauer and these people if we're talking about lists.
Yeah,
if you have-
Beckenbauer,
Who's
नेस्टा को
somebody-
देखा है भाई.
Talk about
Nesta-
players.
नेस्टा 2011-12 में रिटायर हुआ है यार. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
retired तो
बेकनबावर
Beckenbauer-
कहाँ से आ गया यार?
It dep- How much have you seen the guy
The
play
criteria
at his
was-
peak
the
in any
criteria
single
was
game?
players you have seen.
Yeah.
But don't even if you haven't seen them in their prime, don't discount what they've achieved.
ये लास्ट टाइम एग्जैक्टली यही इशू हुआ था जो उन्होंने रोनाल्डो नहीं डाला था.
तो वही बात है ना. So look, dude.
We've seen him at the World Cup as well.
Yeah, we've seen him at the World
We've seen him everywhere यार.
2006
चैंपियंस
कौन
लीग है.
किसने नहीं देखा?
It's
Cup.
difficult.
एक साल बाद चैंपियंस लीग जीता. What the hell, bro?
It's difficult to rate.
और तुमने
players.
क्यों नहीं देखा? वो तो
Bro,
मिलान
hey-
के साथ हिस्टोरिक लिवरपूल मैचेस होते थे.
If you're rating, you
वो तो
can
देखा
rate.
भी नहीं होगा ना.
And
You
Zacko,
can rate
there's this
players.
match in
Listen,
2007,
hold up.
right, where
You
Nesta
can-
tackled Gerrard and shat on him, bro.
You can
ठीक
rate.
है ना? So, ठीक है ना?
Bro,
Hats
so
off to
ये
you for
बात
saying
if we're
that.
picking up one individual tackles,
No,
तो
it's not one individual
well,
tackle.
there's a match in 2007.
मैं
where
नंबर
Nesta
1 पे जा
tackled
रहा हूँ. मैं
Gerrard.
नंबर 1 पे जा रहा हूँ और उसमें भी तुम्हारी गंदी होनी है. मैं अभी से बता रहा हूँ. नंबर 1 with 300 points, Paolo Maldini.
सही है, बनता है यार.
इसने क्या किधर डाला?
100% he gets up there.
Legend.
I had him first. Waleed, Tariq, Mujtaba, Bakr, Mani, Ehsan, Sheri, Dani, Shadman, Sameer had him at first. Momin, Ali Rizvi, Nakash had him at second. Behram had him at fourth and Zakko had him at fifth.
Yeah, what is wrong with you, man?
Man, he should not even be on the panel,
Oh,
honestly.
दफा यार इसको ना बुलाओ पैनल पे. What the hell?
यार तुम
अगर
शिकागो
तुम्हारा
कब जा
घर
रहे
ना
हो?
होता ना, अगर ये तुम्हारा घर ना
Start
होता,
taking things personally again. You have to understand. You have to understand these things, right?
नहीं,
There's-
we can't.
there's-
We can't understand.
There's ways.
We can't understand this.
Let's say, baat suno. There's different ways you can rank these players. You can rank them on their ability. No, hold up. You can rank them on ability. You can rank them on the accolades that they win. You can rank them on the games they've played.
It
How
has to
much
be an
I've seen them.
amalgamation of
Yeah.
everything.
Or you can rank them on how much you liked each of these players once you
नहीं
once you
ना
saw them.
Zakko, यही तो पॉइंट नहीं होता लिस्ट का.
That's the whole point.
वही तो बायसनेस आती है फिर. This is and
Of course, there's biasness in every single list, dude. How can you say there's no
अगर
bias?
बायसनेस होती Bakr would have had Terry first and Maldini fourth.
सिल्वा भी डाल देता वो बीच में.
सिल्वा वैसे मोमिन की में थर्ड पे था. बकर ने सिल्वा नहीं डाला. ये होती है बायसनेस. खैर वैसे बहराम पे मुझे बड़ी तप चढ़ी है. डिएगो गॉर्डीन कहाँ से आ गया है?
Gordon?
डिएगो
यार
गॉर्डीन
उससे ज्यादा तो लूसियो डिजर्व करता है.
Who did he have ahead of Maldini?
ही
Yeah.
Zakko had Terry, Ramos, Puyol, VVD.
Exactly.
Terry.
So you have to understand. You have to understand the criteria of ranking,
You were
right?
depressed that guy over there in the corner because
He's ashamed to call you a Liverpool supporter.
ridiculous, bro.
Ashamed.
I'm glad Maldini is first because uska banta tha. This is one of the most skillful, graceful,
Complete.
complete defender.
He has it. He has everything. over 1,000 matches played, most trophies.
एक्सेल
best on
निकाल
the eye test.
एक्सेल निकाल इससे एक्युलेट्स बताओ
Even-
मुझे
even-
तब चढ़ गई
Even one of the greatest players
निकालो
ever played in the World
लो
Cup.
लैपटॉप
ये देखो देखो ये देखो.
Look, no doubt Maldini is one of the best defenders ever to play the game, right? But is he one of
People-
is he my favorite defender?
No,
to play the
favorite
game?
की बात नहीं
No,
है.
of course he's not. This is my damn list.
Bro, if it
I'm
was
gonna
up
put
to
whoever I
favorites,
want
if
on
it was up
top.
to favorites, I
Yeah.
would have put Van Dijk first.
So, bro, why would you put Rio Ferdinand all the way up there? Because you want to suck his
Ferdinand was
dick.
top.
Zacko, we're
Sorry,
back.
sorry.
Where did you have Ferdinand?
So, cut.
Where did you have
Sammy
Ferdinand?
Hupia नहीं डाला
Where did you
तुमने.
have Ferdinand?
नहीं बोला, नहीं
Hippier
बोला.
Where did you have
Alright, let's
Ferdinand?
stop
I had him
talking
further
about-
down.
Sixth.
Where did you have?
Sixth.
There you go.
Sixth, and I had Ferdinand where?
थर्ड
Third, हाँ. और क्या है? So what's the problem there? Like you still have him on the list, so what's the problem?
Let's
So
stop
that's what I'm
talking
saying,
about-
right?
Let's
At
stop talking
some-
about this guy.
At some
Talk
point,
about how
at
awesome
some point, it
Maldini
comes
is.
to.
Bro,
ठीक है.
Maldini was started as a left back. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Left back में भी bossed it there. तुम
He
लोग
bossed
Ramos
it.
को credit दे रहे हो. I think Maldini was a better left back than Ramos was a right back. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Like he owned that left back position, and then he owned another position. It's like Philip Lahm going from left to right wala scene,
Yeah.
like your back scene.
and two
And
center
center DM. Like it's phenomenal. ये कोई compete
And
नहीं कर सकता इसके
one
साथ.
thing people confuse, they think that they should put him in the all-time left backs category. People should realize when he was left back, the game was different back
yeah
then.
definitely
Left backs were not your
As
traditional wing
adventurous,
backs
yeah.
who were going attacking forward. They were people who would come into the center more than often. And then when Baresi came in and Costa Curta came in, he played in a three-man.
three-man
And
defense
he was
yeah.
left
center back
And then slowly he started coming into his centre back role. This guy could do everything. You even like I know he won't, but like if you see videos of him, the way he tackles, he always gets the ball and he has this unique way of tackling where he would slide just ahead of the player, grab the ball like this, stop and get up and just take possession. I haven't seen
No, and that
anybody.
famous
I haven't
thing I mentioned, वो बात जो की थी about Cannavaro, I mentioned it with
Yeah.
him. कि if I make a sliding tackle, I've already made a mistake वाली
Yeah.
बात, right? And that's the thing. Like वो tackles ये जो करता, which you described, they were literally he knew his
Yeah.
game sense and his reading of the game was miles ahead of the attackers
Yeah.
and everyone else. They're like कोई scene ही
Yeah,
नहीं था
and-
उसका.
and when
He'd
he
read it and
started-
आराम से do this.
When he started, people had already pegged him to be on par with Baresi and Beckenbauer. That's how good he was. And he lived up to that expectation as well, all time.
And he was a classy person, stayed in
Yeah.
one club, you know, you gotta give him marks
Yeah.
for that as well.
There's this defender, right, who didn't make the list. And ठीक है, like वो I haven't even watched him उस तरह ज़्यादा, but it was in and around that time ना जो देख रहे थे.
Desai.
ठीक है, and Maldini. Why I'm mentioning his name is because Maldini said that Desai is the best foreign defender to play in the Serie A.
Yeah,
ठीक
for
है,
sure.
Maldini said that, so that's praise, and that's why I put Desai in my list, and I don't know why anyone
Desai
did have him.
killed it.
I-
No one had him. No one had him.
I-
as
I
this.
had him in my honorable
I
mentions.
think people don't
And-
look. एक तो वैसे सीरिया इतना कम देखते हैं.
And मैं Desai
Desai
Chelsea में
was
देखा
at the
था.
tail end of the time we started watching. So I think
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why people. But for sure, like
I had
तो वही
Desai
बात
in
आ जाती है ना
honorable
कि ये
mention.
फिर जॉन टेरी आ जाते आगे इस पे तब चढ़ती है कि ये सीन
Yeah.
नहीं था फिर बिकॉज देयर मच बेटर लाइक दिस लिस्ट बहुत ही कोई फाइन मार्जिन वाली बात है
एक और बड़ी कंट्रोवर्शियल पे क्या है नंबर 8 मानी की लिस्ट में जेरोम बोटिंग
no wait perfect you know what today is this is pata nahi this
Messi
exact
did the
same
day-
day the
the
exact
day
same
Messi
day
put him on the
yeah
floor.
Messi did that great shout out Usman you lived up to the expectation of the perfect Chelsea fan that you are shite
आई थिंक काफी हो गया आज
बहुत हो गया.
हाँ काफी एग्जॉस्शन भी हो गई है ब्रो
Hated. I don't think we can do another.
Spicy content.
हाँ खैर लाइक द वीडियो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल और कमेंट्स में अपनी टॉप 10 लिस्ट भी भेज दें कोई कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे बॉयज तो विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम अल्लाह हाफिज़